What do you need to get high for when your baby's so to die for? Quit your job, let's make a ride for it. If you want it supersize, I can do that for ya. If you want it double fries.
So I just finished doing my eyebrows using the NYX Tame and Frame and the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil and the e.l.f. angle brush right here. That's basically it. I don't do anything else after that. Alright, well, I'm just gonna jump right into this. So I'm gonna be using actually before I do that, I'm gonna be setting my eyelids with this L'Oreal True Match concealer. And I know, don't be scared. Do not be scared. I know it's like not even my shade, but at the end, towards the end, it's gonna be fucking worth it. So let me just blend this out. And so now that I've blended that out, I'm gonna set that with the Rolling in Dough by Too Faced. Jump right into our eyeshadow look for today. So yeah, so just the remake of that Christmas look that I did, but not exactly just the remake of the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go with the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics and take this blending brush right here. So I think I'm just going to go in with this light pink shade right here. I know it's like all beat up and all that. But yeah, I'm going to go in with that and use that as my transition color. And then I think I'm going to go with these two, and I think I'm going to go with this purple right here, maybe. Sorry, you can see me right there. This is my iPad, like I told you. So, right, okay. So I pick up a really good amount, and I don't know why, but I hate when people tap it off in the palette. I just don't like that. I feel like it just knocks off all the product you just take off, and you're just blending your eyeshadow to nothing, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna start with this. I pat it, like I start in the middle and then pat it down. Oh shit. Towards the outer edge. It's like patting. Like I just love patting. So now you guys can see, but I'm basically just patting this in, and I'm gonna blend it out. I'm bringing it inside too, just so it doesn't look weird. But either way, it doesn't really matter. Like you can start like wherever you want. You just have to blend this out. Okay, now that we have that, we're gonna go in with this dark color right here. This one, my middle finger. And yeah, don't mind if you blend out too much. You can always fix that with like a white eyeshadow, you know. Like I always fucking do it. Like I use like an angle brush for this and just clean it up, you know. Just that's how it works. That's how it rolls. Like we all make mistakes. And there's nothing we can do about it. I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up because it is getting dark in here and it is getting nasty. I feel like here, I'll be back. Using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer Duo and start packing that concealer onto my eyeshadow so I can start building up the pigmentation because we need that pigment. So like to pack it on, I'm using this like naked, I don't know, it's the fucking brush that comes with the naked palette. And yeah, we're gonna start packing that into the corners. We don't want it like all the way up here, we want it in the corners so we can make sure that that pigment is on point. Okay, here, wait, so I know you guys can see it, but I'm just basically doing that. I'm just lightly tapping it. Lightly. And I'm gonna bring that up too. And I'm also gonna do that in the corner too so we can create the fucking spotlight cut crease. Go back to that color I was using. This one right here. This one. And And I'm gonna pack that in. You just blend it out too. Like, don't just leave it there. Blend that shit out. It is getting super dark in here. I am so sorry. See how we have that pigmentation going on? That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we fucking want. Okay. So now that we have that, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the spotlight cut crease. So I go like where my crease stops and just slide down. And basically you're just gonna fan it out, like you're fanning out the crease. So yeah, you're gonna be fanning out the crease and you're gonna be doing this and that. So I'm gonna be using, I think I'm gonna be using this shimmer right here, and then just pat that on that with my finger. Okay, now that we've blended out and put on the spotlight cut crease, we're just gonna cut the edges off. I'm gonna use the angle brush that I showed you guys earlier, and then use the same fill-in and dough, and just cut my face now. Using the fucking setting spray from Ulta. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, just make sure to not breathe in while you're doing this, because shit is fucking ugly. Okay, so now that we've done that, okay, so I'm gonna go in and conceal all the fucking acne that I have. Because girl, we got, actually, you know what, I'm gonna set my face with powder. I don't know why, I feel like when I set my face with powder, it just really smooths out the texture that I have, because I have loads and loads and loads of texture, and I'm just gonna be doing that. So we're just gonna conceal all the imperfections that we have. And I like to use my finger. You're like, oh, why is this bitch using their finger? Because I find out that when you use like flat brushes, they'll always play around. Like, they're not there for you. They're not there to save the economy. They're not there to save political crisis. They're not. I just fucking I don't understand. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline, the Rocket Volume Express mascara, and I don't really like using mascara. I've been vocal about despising fucking mascara. Like, I just fucking hate it. Ugh, I fucking hate it. I just hate it so much. Like, it's so chunky, and then it fucks up your look whenever you're not doing the right thing. Alright, so I went ahead and put on foundation, and right, this is the final look, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of it, as you guys can see, because I'm smiling. Yeah, that's the first. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Like, look at this beat. Like, sorry about the fucking texture, but look at this. Honey, we are fucking slaying. We are fucking slaying. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is the final look. I called this the, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll put it in the fucking title. But thank you guys for tuning in, and you know, this is gonna be a YouTube channel that I want to see some growth in, and sorry, there's like someone watching me outside of the window. That's okay. This is a channel that I want to see growth in. I want to see growth in my makeup, and my ability, my techniques, my skills, and my slayage. So yeah, this is the look. So I hope you guys like this. Please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs fucking up, you know, because I love thumbs, you know, we love memes. Oh yeah, and I want to do something. I want to do meme of the day. So the meme of the day is okay. So yeah, thank you guys. I see you later. Mwah. Okay, XO. I don't know how to spell XOXO. Spooky Tortilla out.